All right, that was 1 pint of our peppermint bark ice cream. To our bowl, I'm gonna add 1 box of my classic white cake mix. We're gonna use this whole box of cake mix with that 1 pint of ice cream. It's gonna be such an easy and delicious festive dessert. Grab our whisk, and now we're just gonna go ahead and mix together our ice cream and our cake mix. As you can see, I did have my ice cream melted. You can pop yours in the microwave, but I just left mine on the counter for a couple hours, and now it is mixing in beautifully with that white cake mix. I love to use the white cake mix because it just lets that ice cream flavor shine, which of course we're doing peppermint bark. Oh my gosh, look, it's becoming a beautiful dough.
Whoa, perfect consistency.
Yeah. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. It smells like a peppermint field, so good. All right, we're gonna bring in our 13 by 9, and before we pour our batter in, I am gonna just pan this with my butter pan. Perfect. And then we have our Christmas spatula to help us get all of this batter out.
It almost looks like ice cream.
Yeah. All right, we got all of that out. And now we're just gonna spread it. It is gonna be a thinner cake. You can add an egg if you want it a little bit fluffier, but this is gonna be a denser cake, but it's gonna be delicious. Oh, doesn't it look perfect?
Yeah, it does.
All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna bake for 35 minutes. All right, our cake is out of the oven and it's cooling, but we do need to make a topping for it. So I'm gonna bring in a large bowl and my 16 ounces of Cool Whip. You can make homemade whipped cream if you don't like Cool Whip, but I just love the convenience of Cool Whip. Oh yeah, we're gonna use that whole 16 ounces. Make sure to scoop it out. Yummy. And this is gonna be super easy. Just another 2-ingredient thing. We're just starting off with our Cool Whip. And then we're gonna add our cheesecake instant pudding. Now I did want the white chocolate instant pudding, but I couldn't find it at my store, so we're settling for cheesecake, which will be just as delicious.
I didn't even know they have a white chocolate pudding.
Oh yeah, it's really, really good. But cheesecake is just as good. And all we're gonna do is just mix and fold in that cheesecake instant pudding into our Cool Whip, and then we have the most delicious topping for our peppermint bark cake. All right, those look beautifully blended together. It smells like cheesecake deliciousness. So we're gonna bring in our cooled down peppermint cake. And oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good because we have those little pieces of chocolate chips in there. We have that little brightness of the red. And we're gonna put this entire whipped topping creation right onto our cake. Okay, that looks beautiful. It doesn't need to be perfect because of course we're gonna decorate it. I'm just gonna grab some fun Christmas sprinkles and just kind of put it right on top. Obviously these are optional. You could do some peppermint pieces. I didn't have any in my pantry, so I just opted for these beautiful sprinkles. Oh, and look, they have little stars in them.
Aww.
Okay, time to cut into this. All right, let's go ahead and cut right into it. Remember, we greased our pan, so it should just come right up. Ooh,
Oh, whoa.
look at that.
Oh, wow.
Looks so delicious, huh?
Yeah, it looks amazing. Whoa.
Put it right on our pan.
Look at those layers.
Oh yeah. And like I mentioned, this is gonna be a denser kind of cake, but if you wanted it to be a little bit more fluffy, you could add an egg into it. But I think this is gonna be perfect with that fluffy topping. Peppermint, cheesecake, what's not to like?
Is it good?
This is dangerous. All right, you guys, you have to try this one. It is too good.